let's just talk about posture, lifting technique, and workplace setup. These are 3 things that we do on a daily basis that, if not done right, can start causing your back pain. The first is posture. I will be demonstrating the right and wrong technique to be sitting in a chair, as well as some tips to help you sit properly. As shown here, I'm sitting with the correct posture. It's really important to sit up straight with your back supported and not to slouch. Sit with your bottom as far back in the chair as possible. Keep your feet in alignment and supported with your legs uncrossed. If possible, keep your upper back supported, your upper back straight, and your shoulder blades back. It's really important when choosing a chair to have a high backrest, adjustable heights, a supportive lumbar region, as well as armrests. As you can also see, there's a possibility of putting a towel or some other lumbar support behind your lower back to help protect that area as well. In contrast, now you can see me sitting with a poor posture. You can see my bottom sliding forward in the chair, my shoulders slouched, my head sitting forward, and my legs well out in front of me. This increases the stress on your lower and upper back, and if done for a long period of time, can start causing that dreaded back pain. Lifting technique is also extremely important to help protect your back. Whether you're lifting every day as part of your job, or just doing the occasional bend forward to pick something up off the ground, it's really important to do it with the right technique. I will again demonstrate the right and wrong technique of how to lift something up off the ground. The most important part of the lifting technique is to test the weight of the object before picking it up. Position the object close to the body before the lift as well. As you lift, make sure your knees do not go further forward than your toes. Bend at your knees and stick your bottom out. As you do this, keep your back straight and not curved or hunched over. It's really important as you lift not to turn and lift at the same time, but rather lift and then shuffle the feet before moving on. As you can see here, I'm demonstrating a poor lifting technique. You can see the curve in my spine, the position of the object further away from my feet and centre of gravity, as well as my knees bending further forward than my toes, and my bottom is not sticking out. This increases the stress on not only your lower back, but also your knees and your upper back, shoulders, and neck as well. A large amount of back pain patients I see on a daily basis are office workers. They sit at their desk 9 to 5, 5 days a week. I ask each and every one of them about their workplace and environment setup. Most of them have never even thought about it. Today, I will demonstrate how a workplace should be arranged and how not to be arranged. If you arrange your workplace setup properly, you can help protect your back by sitting with the proper posture at the same time. As you can see me demonstrating here, I'm sitting with the correct workplace setup and environment. The most important part is that you sit facing straight on to your desk, not at an angle. Your computer monitor should be positioned at the right distance, approximately 45 to 70 centimetres away from yourself. Position the items you use the most closest to you. This decreases the amount of time you have to spend reaching for these items. Remember your chair height. If your chair is too low, you'll be working too high up. If it is too high, you'll have to bend forward or slouch to reach your mouse or computer. Make sure there are no obstacles under your desk. This ensures that you can sit with your feet flat on the floor. And remember your sitting posture, as we mentioned in the previous subsection. It's really important to take adequate rest breaks. Every half an hour, stand up, bend forward, try and touch your toes, turn around on the spot, and then sit back down. As you can see here, I'm demonstrating an incorrect workplace setup. You can see me at an angle to the desk, slouching forward, my computer at an angle to my body, and my notepad all the way over the other side of the desk. Again, you can see the increased stress on not only my neck, my upper back, and my lower back in this position.